Hi guys, it's Paula and I hope you are doing well. This is going to be my 1 month update for the Birthday Era Project Pan. This project was created by my friend Kathy. She is Shades of Cat on Instagram, and this is a collaboration with a group of friends. Everybody will be linked down below. The only rule to this project was that we had to link the items in this project to the decade of our birth. For me, that is the 70s. I was born in 1977. If you want to get the whole background story of each product and what I linked it to, you can catch my introduction. I have a playlist for this project under my playlists, under my playlist section. So let's get into this update and see what I've been up to. I don't have any empties yet. It's a 6-month-long project, so I still have 5 months left. I'm optimistic. For the movie Grease, I chose this macadamia nourishing hair oil, and I use this every time I wash my hair, which is every 3 to 4 days. And so I have been getting consistent use out of this. I cannot tell where the product is in this packaging. Even like in these bright lights, I just can't see, but I'm gonna assume it's still pretty full. So I am using it. I'm glad it's in the project, but it's not gone yet. For the movie Charlie's Angels, I decided to throw in this LA Girl Pro Conceal. I decided I was gonna try and use this as a foundation because it just seems too dark of a shade for my under eyes or for highlighting. And it turns out it's still too dark even as a foundation for me. I used it today and I blended it out and kind of mixed it with a lighter foundation. So I made it work, but really I still need to get tanner even just to use this as a foundation. But I did use it once and it looks like it's gonna be a beautiful foundation when I do finally get around to using it more consistently. Also, I'm still not done freaking foundation that I've been trying to finish for over a year. So I gotta focus on that. It's almost gone. I'll talk about that in my A to Z Project Pan update, but once that is gone, it is go time. This Maybelline eyebrow pencil that looks like it's from the 70s is the product I use every single day. Every day I put on makeup, which is pretty much every single day. And there is no visible progress on the lines that I marked on the paper, but I am using this consistently. This lip liner was also for the movie Charlie's Angels. I cannot roll it up because it doesn't retract down. It's not a retractable pencil, so I just have a little bit up at a time. I'm wearing it today. I've worn it several times, but it's not gone. I think it might be gone in the next month or two, but again, I cannot roll it up, so I'm not sure. On top of that, I have this Too Faced Melted Chocolate Liquefied Metallic Lipstick in the shade Metallic Chocolate Diamonds. I see myself loving this in the summer much more than I love it now. I'm really enjoying wearing bright pinks, dark pinks, coral shades right now, and this is just a little too brownie neutral for what I'm after right now, but it looks okay. I have been using it, and I think I'll enjoy it much more in the summertime when I have a tan. Oh, and by the way, this was for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. For the movie Star Wars, I put in my Cover FX Shimmer Veil in the shade Celestial, and I absolutely love this product. I mentioned it in my tops and bottoms for February, and it is beautiful. I'm wearing it as an inner corner highlight today and kind of on the inner like quarter of my eyelid, and it is just such a light catching product. I love it. I absolutely love it. I haven't used it every single day, but I actually did see a little window peeking through this morning, but it's gone now. The window disappeared. I think it's possible there might be a window by the next update, which would be really cool. And then finally, for the Muppet movie, I decided to put in the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. My only goal is to use it. And so I have accomplished that goal because I used it today for the first time. It is really hard to stay on top of all the eyeshadows. There's just so many eyeshadows and not enough time. On my lid, I have a base of my ColourPop Kindness all over my eyelid, and then I put the shimmer veil on my inner third on top of this highlight shade. I use this pink that shifts aqua called Mystic Rain all over the center of my eyelid, and then this Artist Pass, which is like a blue-brown, is on the outer third of my eyelid, and that is about it. Yeah, that's all I have on my eyelid today. That seems like enough. It's a beautiful palette. I had a lot of fun playing with it today. I wish I had more time. I say that constantly because I do wish I had more time. Should start doing my makeup twice a day, shouldn't I? No. All right, guys, that is it for my update. No major breakthroughs in makeup use up, but 7 products are getting used more consistently because of this project, and I'm having fun with them. So thank you so much for watching. Please go check out the other ladies that are in this project, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Hi, kids.
Guess who woke up like 5 minutes ago? You. You can't help it. You always have to say hi to everybody. They're always looking for you.